Hey everyone, this is Bobby. I wanted to make a very quick video that's going to show you how to start investing in cryptocurrency. It's going to be pretty simple versus some of the 20-30 minute videos out there. What I want to walk you through is how to register on Coinbase and then how to purchase Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash without paying fees. So if you register on Coinbase, try to purchase on Coinbase, you will pay fees. So in this video I'm going to walk you through, and all the links are below on how to do this, how to register on Coinbase and then log into GDAX, GDAX.com with your Coinbase account and purchase those coins there, and then you do not have to deal with those fees. As well as steps after that, if you would like to trade alternative coins, for example Tron, Ripple, VeChain, FunFair, etc., all these other coins, you can then transfer your coins from GDAX to Binance, and this will allow you to trade. Binance is one of the biggest exchanges. So the goal in all of this is to not pay fees when buying initially. So on Coinbase, do not buy on there. Register on Coinbase, then log into GDAX.com with your Coinbase account. Purchase there, you will not pay fees. Secondly, if you transfer from GDAX to Binance, there are less fees than if you did transfer and purchase from Coinbase, which I just instructed you not to do. If you transfer from Coinbase to Binance, there's even more fees. So this is simply saving you money. Look below, see the links I'm sharing, the steps to follow, and you can begin purchasing cryptocurrency. It's that easy, under 2 minutes. Any questions, comment below, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks.